always been told to love myself. I try, but I can never understand.
Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. It's Saturday evening and today I'm going to do a get ready with me because I'm going to see a movie tonight at the Rivoli. I don't know what the movie is. It's going to be a surprise. So I thought I'd show you my look for tonight's event. So if you're interested to see and how I do my makeup, then please keep watching. So let's get started. I've already primed my face with Savvy, and I have used today the Maybelline Superstay 24-hour foundation, and it is number 21 Nude Beige. I've also put on my concealer and I've used the Sephora, and this is the Natural Finish a high coverage concealer. I'm going to use, as per normal, my Becca blush just on the cheeks. Okay, so now I'm going to use On The Glow by Sportsgirl, the Mermazing Palette, just on the brow, nose, chin, just to give it that glow effect. I'm going to use the Dream Sun bronzing powder by Maybelline. I'll put all of the products that I use in the description box below. So next I'm going to do the eyes. I'm going to use my MAC palette, and this is the Burgundy ×9. So with my flat brush, it's like these are all like burgundy shades. It's a casual look tonight. Nothing too glam, it's just going to the local cinemas, and I'm going to use this shade here, which is a very light purple, and I'm going to do that over the top of my eyelid, just blending in back and forth. Now to give the eye some pop, I'm going to use this white shade from Maybelline, and I'm just going to put this into the corners of my eyelid, and again just blending it in back and forth. Now I'm going to use a mixture of both this blacky sort of a grey colour with the brown. Now I'm going to use my Maybelline black eyeliner. This is a long wearing eyeliner by Maybelline, and it's a gel one, so it applies very, very well. Next I'm going to use my MAC eyeliner, and this is in a beige or a nude, and I'm going to fill in the lips. Now for my lipstick, I'm going to use two colours. It's the MAC Velvet Teddy, and also the Bare Minerals. The Bare Minerals is called Honey Bun, and of course I'm going to use it with my Napoleon lip liner brush. So first I'm going to put on the Velvet Teddy, and on top of that I'm just going to put the Bare Minerals. This is more of a glossy lipstick, and I can just use this straight from the holder. The last thing I've got to do is my eyeliner, the cat's eye, and then my lashes, dry my hair, get dressed, and I will show you then the final look. So I'm using the Sigma eyeliner E11 and my trusty Maybelline Eye Studio Noir Black to do the cat eye. With this I'm definitely going to need a mirror in order to get this, because it's always the hardest part of my makeup. So with the beauty of magic, I've got dressed, I've done my hair, so the only thing that's left to do now is put on my eyelashes. For this exercise I'm going to have to use my glasses. I've got the glue. I'm going to grab the eyelash like so, apply the adhesive. Now I'm going to wait 30 seconds, and now I'm going to put it onto my right eye. Ooh. And now for the other eye. And the last thing I have to do now, and I'm going to use a Mega Volume Mascara by Maybelline. Now to finish it all off, I'm going to set my makeup with the Swisse Deep Sea Hydrating MistToner. And that's my final look. Well, that's it everybody. I hope you enjoyed watching me get ready for my movie night tonight. It's going to be exciting because I don't know what movie I'm going to be watching, but I will probably take some snapshots when I'm done at the cinema. So on that note, I've got to go now. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye for now. I'm super excited. Bye. I'm at the cinemas tonight and I'm going to see Halloween, and I know for a fact that I'm going to be so scared. Oh my god. I'm at the cinemas right now and I'm about to go in, so I hope I don't get too frightened.